Spirion provides visibility and insights from connected vehicles to help businesses run smarter and people drive safer. Our Fleet Locate solution allows fleets of all sizes to gain real-time visibility into location, activity, and status of their vehicles and drivers. Improve safety for their drivers with tools to identify and curb unsafe driving behaviors. Make operations more efficient, from dispatching to idle time to fuel consumption. And improve vehicle health by reducing maintenance costs and vehicle downtime. With Fleet Locate, monitoring your remote assets and mobile workforce is easy. Whether you're a small business owner or a large commercial operator, Fleet Locate lets you see and manage your mixed fleet of different vehicle and asset types all in one place. Using real-time maps to quickly track and trace your vehicles, dashboards and reports to analyze and improve fleet performance, live alerts to quickly address issues that impact operations, driver scorecards to monitor aggressive driving behavior and train drivers, dashcam events and video recordings to monitor safety risks, and an ELD solution to ensure full compliance with the latest regulations. Starting with the map, see all of your vehicles at once, or filter by status, such as moving, idle, or stopped. Turn on different map layers, such as the terrain, traffic, and clustering layers. Gain full visibility to dispatch vehicles and drivers more effectively with a live view of your fleet location, traffic conditions, and street maps. Setting up a landmark, such as a customer or company location, can be done with just a few clicks. Simply define the boundaries of the landmark by drawing a polygon or circle around the area of interest. Easily access any vehicle's history via the right-hand side panel. Optionally, toggle for an overview of trips or a detailed view of all the asset's detailed events. The vehicle grid lets you browse and sort through your assets, including attributes like event type, location, and speed, or any specific unit diagnostics. Here, list columns show information for reported vehicle events. These columns can be configured to display the attributes most important to your business. Through Spirion's partnership with OEMs such as GM and Ford, additional diagnostics are available for most late-model vehicles equipped with onboard telematics from these OEMs, such as oil life remaining, tire pressure, true odometer, and seatbelt status. Fleet Locate includes a global predictive search function to quickly find a specific asset, landmark, driver, or location. Search results are clearly marked to distinguish various types and provide further quick action buttons, such as looking into asset history. From the search results of assets, for example, clicking on History will display the detailed history for the vehicle, where movement history, reported events, and a full breadcrumb trail is available for the current day or any other calendar day in the recent past. Click on the individual events to view the exact location of the vehicle at a certain time. Going back to viewing all your assets on the map, you can initiate a dispatch for a specific vehicle, which sends a message to the driver using the Fleet Locate notification service, dispatching the driver to a specific address or landmark. You may also search for the nearest landmark or send a command to the vehicle, such as locate. The Fleet tab provides easy access to view all your assets, landmarks, asset groups, landmark groups, and drivers at a glance. You may also use the search function on these pages to easily find specific items. Easily sort and edit items from here. Moving beyond live tracking of vehicles, you can also view aggregate vehicle statistics through dashboards and drill down to see details as needed. New dashboard modules can easily be configured via the Configure button on the top right-hand side of the page. You can customize your view based on important performance KPIs and various visualization methods such as leaderboards or trend lines. The Maintenance section allows you to easily set up a service plan for your fleet. Track services by distance, time duration, or engine hours. Service records can be logged in the Service Record tab. View past maintenance alerts in the Alerts tab and see diagnostic trouble codes triggered on your vehicles. Fleet Locate reports provide another way to look at aggregate fleet information and immediately dig deeper into details. Vehicle reports include landmark circulation, showing entry and exit events around a landmark, or landmark mileage, showing total vehicle miles driven within range of certain landmarks. Some reports focus on driver activity, such as daily details, workday details, trips, and stop report, while others focus on vehicle performance, such as fuel efficiency, idling, or maintenance and compliance-related insights. Let's look at an example of a stop report. At the top of the report are aggregate statistics for all units in the report, including total number of stops, average stops within a day, stops at defined landmarks, and duration of stops. Within each report, you can drill down to an individual vehicle to see every stop made by the driver, with the exact location and duration of each stop, along with a timestamp. Generating reports is easy, with drop-down fields to select report settings. You can also schedule reports to run periodically and choose specific recipient lists for reports, so the right information gets to the right teams or individuals automatically. For example, maintenance reports could be sent to a mechanic or the fleet manager. Another useful tool for monitoring daily fleet operations are alerts. These help the fleet manager gain instant visibility into important events that may require immediate action. Easily hover over each of the alert types to understand what a particular alert is used for. In just a few simple steps, managers can set up specific policies to trigger alerts in areas of interest. These alerts will be displayed in a live feed that can be filtered and monitored by the manager. In addition, alerts can be sent to specific recipients using email or text messaging. A variety of alerts are available for safety, operational efficiency, and vehicle health. Safety alerts can be set up to monitor speeding, hard acceleration, braking events, and seatbelt violations. Operational alerts track stops, delays, and entering or exiting specific landmarks, such as customer locations. Fleet Locate Scorecard enables you to take control of your fleet's safety and put together a company-wide safety program. Within the scorecard, you can quickly identify the top and bottom performing drivers in your fleet and drill down into what influenced that score. We recognize that every fleet is different, so in the Setup tab, you can customize the importance of each infraction to the overall score in a way that best fits your priorities. In the Dashcam tab, you have an additional layer of visibility into the safety and health of your fleet. You can access the live video feed to know exactly what's going on in each vehicle. With our robust AI, we identify risky and unsafe behaviors, such as cell phone usage, and deliver these instances straight to you. If you need to pull video from a specific time, you can stream and download video recordings straight from the Dashcam tab. In the Compliance tab, you have access to a fully compliant ELD solution where you can access driver logs and DVIRs. Finally, the user experience in Fleet Locate is fully customizable for different types of users. Administrators can create users with specific roles and permissions to limit access within the application. In addition to our desktop portal, we offer a native on-the-go mobile experience. Fleet Locate Periscope provides visibility into asset location, vehicle activity, and driver and vehicle status while you are away from your desk. At a click of a button, you can view important details about your assets or view any alerts that may have been triggered. Spirion's Fleet Locate solution is powered by Nspire. The Nspire platform is a powerful, scalable foundation for all Spirion solutions, boasting a 99% availability guarantee. It collects and analyzes millions of data points each day to deliver valuable insights through reports, dashboards, and advanced analytics. Nspire also provides shared web services, REST API, webhook, and user interface components like mapping, searching, geocoding, list views, alerts, and notifications. Whether you are a small business owner with a fleet of service vans or a large fleet operator with commercial trucks, trailers, and other mobile equipment, Fleet Locate can provide the real-time visibility and insights you need to make your business more efficient and profitable while creating a safer experience for your drivers.